Top home remedy for plaque tartar removal. Hello everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Life Well Lived. Today, we're exploring an incredibly versatile and often underappreciated household item, baking soda. Known scientifically as sodium bicarbonate, this simple compound has remarkable uses that extend far beyond the kitchen. From personal care to household cleaning, baking soda is a powerhouse of natural benefits. Let's dive deep into the many ways baking soda can improve our lives. One of the most common uses of baking soda is as a deodorizer. It's fantastic for neutralizing odors in your home, including those from your refrigerator, trash cans, and even your pets. Simply placing an open box of baking soda in your fridge can help keep it smelling fresh by absorbing unwanted odors. You can also sprinkle baking soda on carpets and upholstery to eliminate smells. Let it sit for a while, then vacuum it up for a fresh scent. Baking soda is an excellent natural cleaner. Its mild abrasiveness makes it perfect for scrubbing countertops, sinks, and even pots and pans without scratching them. To clean your kitchen surfaces, mix baking soda with a bit of water to create a paste, apply it to the area, scrub, and rinse. For tougher stains or baked-on grime, let the paste sit for a few minutes before scrubbing. Baking soda can also be used to clean floors and tiles, leaving them sparkling clean without the use of harsh chemicals. Baking soda is a popular ingredient in many toothpastes due to its ability to remove stains and whiten teeth. To use it, mix a small amount of baking soda with water to form a paste, then brush your teeth gently. This method helps remove surface stains from coffee, tea, and other foods, giving you a brighter smile. However, it's important not to use baking soda every day, as its abrasiveness can wear down enamel over time. Additionally, baking soda helps remove plaque and reduce bacteria in the mouth. Its alkalizing effect neutralizes acids produced by bacteria, which can lead to cavities and gum disease. For fresher breath, a baking soda rinse can help neutralize odors and reduce bacteria that cause bad breath. If you're dealing with a sore throat, gargling with a mixture of baking soda and water can provide relief. Add half a teaspoon of baking soda to a glass of warm water and gargle. This creates an alkaline environment in your throat, making it less hospitable for bacteria to thrive and helping to soothe irritation. Adding baking soda to your bath can help soothe skin irritations such as rashes, insect bites, and sunburn. It's also great for alleviating muscle soreness. For a relaxing bath, add a cup of baking soda to your bath water and soak for at least 15 minutes. The baking soda helps to neutralize acids on the skin and soothe irritation. Providing a calming and therapeutic experience, baking soda is a natural and effective deodorant. Many commercial deodorants now include baking soda for its ability to neutralize odors and create an alkaline environment where bacteria cannot thrive. You can make your own deodorant by mixing baking soda with a bit of water to form a paste, then applying it to your underarms. Soaking your feet in a baking soda solution can help reduce foot odor, soften calluses, and combat foot fungus. To prepare a foot soak, dissolve 3 tablespoons of baking soda in a basin of warm water and soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This treatment can improve overall foot hygiene and comfort. Baking soda provides a natural, environmentally friendly alternative to chemical cleaners, making it safe for use around children. Fruits and vegetables with baking soda can help remove pesticides and other residues. Fill a container with half a gallon of water and add 1 to 2 teaspoons of baking soda. Soak your fruits and vegetables in this solution for about 15 minutes, then rinse and dry them. This ensures that your produce is clean and safe to eat. Thank you for tuning in to this episode of Life Well Lived. I hope you found this information helpful and inspiring. Please share this video with your friends and family, and leave your comments below. Let's spread the word about the amazing benefits of baking soda. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. Until next time, stay healthy and live well.